For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Established by Maxim Blagov and Vitek Radomski in 2009, Enjin was assembled fundamentally to serve the gaming local area. It was a stage when this present reality had gotten huge energy in video gaming, and online mediums had turned into a trend. At first, to construct a powerful establishment and to create reserves, the undertaking sent off an underlying coin offering, ICO, raising about $18.9 million by offering ENJ tokens to fabricate its new blockchain. Thus Enjin went live in 2018. Enjin coin cost expectation has been referenced here exhaustively. Right from non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to advanced vouchers spreading their wings to products, the Enjin environment is focused on serving a sweeping local area that could use the multi-chain benefits across various computer games as well. Building qualities from quality item contributions, existing local area of clients and vital organizations with driving brands, and intrinsic openness to the quickly developing NFT market, Enjin Coin guaranteed it made a computerized domain around itself and made its presence felt across all stages from PC to portable. Enjin, catching up speed. Committing its main goal to give versatile, decentralized, cross-chain organization, Enjin cost expectation has been, since its commencement, working completely to the advantage of clients absorbing all benefits of Enjin Coin, the local tokens in a wallet. This further worked with crypto exchanges. Being based on Ethereum and benefiting from the joint benefits of Bitcoin and Ethereum, Enjin Coin guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy in the organization. The whole structure of Enjin is so subject to zero divulgence proof, subsequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange strategy, so the interest of gamers is constantly safeguarded. A consistent and bother-free exchange for gamers puts the power at last in the client's hands. Being based on a blockchain-empowered stage, Enjin Coin, ENJ, can trap false or fake exchanges with next to no bottlenecks or obstacles caused to the gamers and their product. Its establishment is solid on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain. Enjin Network, laying the community track. Group Enjin guarantees the advancement of the whole gaming local area, working with progress in the crypto and blockchain innovation space. Enjin Network is empowered at each level on a worldwide impression to improve use cases. Upheld by a group of specialists who are energetic about making it a gigantic accomplishment past limits with the strengthening of innovation. Driving worldwide discussions around decentralized foundation, the Enjin People Group is focused on working pair with officials, controllers, and other overseen bodies. Enjin Coin, ENJ, an identity makeover. Enjin has attempted the difficult assignment of revising the brand to have the brand personality set up. Working alongside the most perplexing mechanical stages, Enjin Corporate is proactive in online entertainment, placing in forceful reports covering immensely significant gaming topics, teaching the clients. Enjin Coin goes about as a platform for financial discussions, giving voice to its customers over the globe, making a critical effect on different industry sections with a unique spotlight on gaming. Chasing after the sole mission of mass reception, Enjin has reinforced its foundations with arrangements in charge. It has led arrangements that address the need of great importance in the crypto local area, zeroing in on decentralized applications and making organizations going past topographies. At present, the exchange cost of Enjin Coin weights around $2.79 with a market capitalization of $2,371,028,684.77 with a circling supply of 846,734,705 ENJ now and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $271,110,304.03 in the crypto market. From the start of this current year, the cost of Enjin Coin, ENJ, denoted a colossal meeting till April. However, practically all cryptographic forms of money confronted a market decline after that. Be that as it may, the ENJ crypto recaptured the lost force, and at present, it exchanges around the $2.79 mark. According to the ongoing ATH, all-time high, and Enjin Coin cost expectation 2022, Its future qualities could stay over its critical obstruction level of $4. Enjin coin price prediction 2022. Keeping up bear with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that Enjin coin is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2023. Following the moving example of ENJUSD, particularly the way things are exchanging, it is clear that Enjin coin, ENJ, cost will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern keeps contacting its significant opposition level of $4.50. This cost would be close to the ongoing all-time exorbitant cost. Enjin coin price prediction 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for Enjin coin according to our negative market cost expectation. There is an anticipated possibility of Enjin coin cost causing a benefit to $5.60. Enjin coin price prediction 2024. Yet again founded on verifiable information and our own examination, expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Enjin coin will run the digital currency market with a presentation representing things to come cost fixed at $6.70. This is comparable to the vary that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows Enjin coin can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in unfriendly states of the crypto and blockchain industry. Enjin coin price prediction 2025. As per our specialized examination and ENJ cost forecast, for the current year could check as the benchmark year as Enjin coin's tradish team is anticipated to outperform $7.60 definitely. Fundamentally in light of the fact that this year, no critical elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work and monetary resources alongside computerized reality resources. Enjin coin price prediction 2026. The digital currency value forecasts of different specialists don't stop Enjin coins from outflanking the opponents using any and all means. Enjin cost expectation local area has set higher benchmarks for itself despite and it will move higher. Cost of Enjin coin will outperform the assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers. One more significant send-off of Enjin's symbolic trade is set to divulge soon, which would be supported by huge numbers of trades. In light of our Enjin coin cost forecast 2026, ENJ coin has helped the market feeling peculiarity radically. Brokers and investors have begun wagering long haul and present moment for the Enjin coin development following it intently. Thus, the Enjin coin cost expectation